When you're building a high-quality game, paying attention to small details really matters, like reflections in water. To create something that reflects its surroundings, start by creating a plane. This plane can represent anything, a puddle, a window, or even a glass. Now right-click and create a new material. Then apply that material to your plane. Set the material color to black, that gives you the best reflections. Lower the metallic value and crank the smoothness all the way up. To actually reflect the environment, add a reflection prop to your scene and make sure it includes the puddle area. We'll talk more about reflection props later. Now this plane reflects everything around it. Next, give your material a texture, like a puddle texture. For that, change the rendering mode to fade. Texture is just a 2D image. To add it, click on the material and drag your texture into the right slot. As you can see, the texture has several parts. Adjust the tiling settings to choose the area you want to use. And here's the final result. A super killing looking puddle that reflects its surroundings beautifully. Thanks for watching, have a nice day!